Assalamu alaikum guys, hope so everyone fine. In this video I will discuss about Laco app. Laco app is a best app for singing. So you can see here app title. You can download from here Play Store. I First of all I open this app. I will disconnect internet, so you can hear it pop up. Click on plus button. So I will click here button. If you want to record a video, you can click here. If you want to record audio, you can click record audio. So I am singing about, so I will click on record. Video will be finalized. You can see here and click on write your name. So I will click here first singing. I will create title and this video will be saved. You can see save here. You sound fantastic. Would you like to record your video? Okay.